What's the meaning of Bolton? Bolton. Bolton.
Bolton. Bolton. Bolton is a town in Greater Manchester, England. The name Bolton comes from the Old English words Bolton, which means farmstead or village with a dwelling. Bolton has a rich history that dates back to the Roman times, and has been an important center for textiles and cotton production. Today, it is a thriving town with a diverse population and a vibrant cultural scene. Bolton is home to several notable landmarks, such as the impressive Bolton Town Hall, the beautiful Smithills Hall, and the iconic Bolton Museum and Art Gallery. Overall, Bolton is a town with a rich heritage and a bright future.